Join us on Tuesday, March 17th for a webcast auction and again on March 18th for a timed online auction for pipe fabricating and welding shop equipment. The two-day auction includes a 2024 Vernon 5-axis CNC pipe profiling machine, 2016 Tecnar Rotoweld twin-bay pipe spool welding system, more than 70 Lincoln and Miller welders, over 30 Mannings induction heating portable heat treating systems, 30 Pandjiris welding positions up to 60,000 pound capacity, Lincoln and Pandjiris welding manipulators, tank turning rolls, 5 pipe beveling machines, Lincoln Torchmate plasma table, automatic band saw, 10 forklifts up to 21,000 pounds as new as 2021. 5 pickup trucks, a large quantity of raw material and pipe, fittings, inspection equipment including a Faro arm, laser tracker, radiation detectors, array and analyzer guns, toolroom, plant support, executive office furniture, much more. For more information visit us at myronbowling.com. Register for the auction at bidspotter.com.